Right now, your brain is hiding something from you, and you don't even know it. You trust your memories because they feel real. But your memory isn't a video recording. It's a reconstruction. Every time you remember something, your brain rebuilds that memory. Think about your favorite childhood memory. You can picture it, right? Now, here's the strange part. Some of the details you're seeing may never have happened. That's because memory isn't stored like a movie. It's rebuilt from pieces every time you remember it. And that's where mistakes can happen. Let's put your memory to the test. Don't pause the video. Look at these objects carefully. You'll only have 5 seconds. Now answer this. Was there a pair of glasses? Most people instantly say yes. This time, the answer is yes. But notice what happened. You didn't replay a video. You searched for pieces. Now, imagine 2 people watching the exact same moment. A week later, they remember it differently. That doesn't automatically mean one person is lying. Memory can change as we recall it. That's one reason eyewitness testimony can sometimes be unreliable, especially after time passes or people discuss what happened. So, why would your brain do this? Why not remember everything perfectly? Because your brain isn't designed to store every tiny detail. It's designed to help you make fast decisions. Most of the time, that shortcut works incredibly well, but sometimes it quietly fills in the blanks. Your brain isn't trying to fool you. It's trying to help you understand the world using incomplete information. Here's something you can try today. Ask a friend about a memory you both share, then compare the details. You might agree on what happened, but disagree on how it happened. That doesn't always mean someone is lying. Sometimes, 2 honest people simply remember the same moment differently. So the next time you're absolutely certain about a memory, leave room for one possibility. Your brain may be trying to build the most useful story, not a perfect recording. Because the greatest mystery isn't always the world around you. Sometimes it's your own mind. Question your certainty. Subscribe for more mysteries of the human mind.